Dear students, welcome back to new video. In this video, we are finding the solutions of practice set 3.2. In this video, we are including four sub questions, that is question number 7, question number 8, question number 9, and question number 10. Now coming to question number 7, coming to the solution part, the question is the 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29. Therefore, T11 equals to 16 and T21 equals to 29. Here T11 equals to 16 and T21 equals to 29. Then find 41th term of AP. Then we have to find T41. Therefore, T41 equals to question mark. Know the formula, that is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, by putting the value of 11 here, we get T11 equals to A plus the value of n is 11. Put 11 instead of n, 11 minus 1 into D as it is. Therefore, T11 will becomes A plus 11 minus 1, that is 10, into D. Get T11 equals to A plus 10 D, that is. Similarly, we have to find T21 equals to the value of A plus the value of n is now 21 here, 21 minus 1 into D here. Therefore, T21 will be equals to A plus, that is 20, into D. Therefore, T21 will becomes A plus 20D. But the value of T11 is 16. Therefore, put 16 instead of this T11, and the value of T21 is 29. Put 29 here. Therefore, T11, that is the value of 16, will be equals to 16 equals to A plus 10D. A plus 10D. We have substituted the value of T11 here, that it becomes 16 equals to A plus 10D. Now, value of T21 is 29. Therefore, 29 will be equals to A plus 20D. Now, on subtracting equation number this 1 from equation 2, we get A plus 20D equals to 29. This is equation number 2, and A plus 10D equals to 16 is equation number 1. Then on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, give here minus. Now this plus A will become minus, plus will become minus, and this plus will become 16. That is A minus A, that is 0. 10D, 20D minus 10D, that will be 10 of D, equals to 29 minus 16, that is 13. We get 10D equals to 13. Therefore, the value of D will becomes 13 divided by 10 equals to 1.3. Here we get the value of D equals to 1.3. We get the value of D equals to 1.3. Now put this value in this equation, that is 16 equals to A plus 10D. Write down here 16 equals to A plus 10D. Now this can be written as A plus 10D equals to 16. Now put the value of D equals to 1.3, that is here. Now here A plus 10 as it is, the value of D is now 1.3 equals to 16. On solving, we get A plus 10 into 1.3, that is 13, equals to 16. Now this A will be equals to 16 minus 13. Now A will be equals to 3. We get the value, that is A equals to 3. The value of D, that is 1.3. D equals to 1.3. Then we have to find the value of 41th term, that is T41 equal to question mark. We know the formula, that is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. By putting the value of n as 41, we get T41 equals to A plus that is 41 minus 1 into d, that is t41 will be equals to a plus 40d. Now by putting the value of a, that is 3, and the value of d, that is 1.3, we get t41 equals to, instead of a we have to put 3 plus 40 as it is into the value of d, that is 1.3, put here 1.3. Now here 3 as it is, 40 into 1.3, on calculating we get 52, and 3 plus 52 is that is nothing but 55. We get t41, that is the value of t41 equals to 55. Now the next question, question number 8, that is 11852. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? The given AP is written as it is, that is 11852. Now here, suppose that the let nth term, that is Tn, will be equals to minus 151. We suppose that minus 151 is nth term, then we have to find the value of n, that is n equals to question mark. Now here the given AP is 11852. The value of a, that is first term, will be equals to 11, which is also term as T1 equals to same 11, T2 equals to second term 8, T3 equals to third term, that is 5, and T4 equals to fourth term, that is 2. We have to find the common difference first, that is D equals to T2 minus T1 equals to the value of T2, that is 8, minus the value of T1, that is 11, that is 8 minus 11 will becomes minus of 3. We get the value of D equals to minus 3, and the value of A is 11 here. Now we know that the formula, that is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now the Tn, we suppose Tn equals to minus 151, therefore put minus 151 instead of this Tn. The value of A we found is 11, therefore put 11 instead of this A, plus n we have to find, therefore write as it is, that is n, minus 1 as it is. The value of D we have calculated, which is minus of 3. Now on solving this, we get minus 151 as it is equals to 11 as it is, that is, now multiply minus 3 with n first, that will become minus of 3, and minus will plus of 3. Now here we get minus 151 equals to 11 minus 3n plus 3. Now on solving, we get minus 151 will be equals to 11 plus 3, that is 14, minus 3n. Minus 3n on shifting to left hand side, it will become plus of 3n, 14 as it is. Now minus 151 on shifting to right hand side, it will become plus of 151. Now 3n equals to 14 plus 151, which is nothing but 165. Now n will be equals to 165 divided by 3, that is the value of n we get is 3 ones are 3, and it will cancel 55 times. Now the n is equals to 55, therefore T55 is nothing but minus 151. Therefore minus 151 is 55th term. Question number 9. In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? The natural numbers from 10 to 250, 10 is not completely divisible by 4. The first number which is divisible by 4 in between this 10 and 250 is 12. Now on adding 4, it will becomes 16, on adding it will becomes 20, and on adding it will becomes 24. Now we get this AP, that is 12, 16, 20, 24, which is divisible by 4. Now we have to find the numbers in between 10 and 250. Means here the last number which is divisible by 4 is 240 8, which is completely divisible by 4. Now we therefore we term this 248 as last term, which is nth term, that is Tn. Here the first term, that is a equals to 12, or which is also T1 equals to 12. The second term, that is T2 equals to 16. Third term, that is T3 equals to 20. And fourth term, that is T4 equals to 24. And the last term, that is we termed Tn as 248. We have to find how many are divisible by 4 in between 10 and 250. Therefore n numbers are divisible by 10 and in between 10 and 250. Therefore we have to find the value of n, that is n equals to question. Now we know the formula, that is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we know the Tnth value, that is instead of Tn we have to put 248. Therefore put 248 as it is equals to the value of a, here is 12, plus we have to find n. Therefore put n as it is minus 1 as it is. The value of d, that is nothing but the common difference. We have to find common difference, that is d equals to T2 minus T1 equals to the value of T2 is 16 minus the value of T1 is 12, that is 16 minus 12 is 4. Therefore put here 4 instead of this d. The value of d equals to 4. Therefore put 4 instead of this d. Therefore put 4 here. Now on solving we get 248 as it is here, 12 as it is, plus 4 into n, that is 4n, minus 4 into 1, that is 4. Now here 248 as it is equals to 12 minus 4, that is 8, plus 4n. Now here 248 minus this 8 equals to 4n, that is 240 will be equals to 4n. 4n will be equals to 240. Now this n will be equals to 240 by 4. On division, 4 ones are 4, 60 times divisible, 240 60 times divisible, we get n equals to 60. We get n equals to 60. Therefore 60 numbers are divisible by 4 in between 10 and 250. Coming to next question, that is in an AP 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term, find the common difference. Here the given condition is, that is 17th term, that is T17 equals to 7 more, means plus 7 than its 10th term, that is 10th term is T10. This is the condition. Now we have to find the common difference. Therefore the common difference, the value of common difference, that is d equals to question mark. We know the formula, that is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. By putting the value, that is T17 will be equals to a plus, that is the value of n we put it here, 17 minus 1 into d, that will be T17 will be equals to a plus 17 minus 1, that is 16 d. Therefore we get T17 equals to a plus 16 d. Now similarly T10 will be equals to a plus, that is n minus 1, means 10 minus 1 into d, that will be T10 will be equals to a plus 10 minus 1, that is 9d. Here we get T17 which is a plus 16d, and here we get T10 equals to a plus 9d. By putting both these values in this condition, the value of T17, that is T17 we get a plus 16d, put a plus, now we know the condition, that is T17 equals to T10 plus 7, which is the given condition in this problem. Now the value of T17 we found here, that is a plus 16d, that is a plus 16d will be equals to the value of T10, that is here we found T10, that is a plus 9d plus 7. Now here a and a get cancelled, that is 16d minus this 9d will be equals to only 7. 16d minus 9d is 7d equals to 7. Therefore d will be equals to 7 by 7, that 7 7 cancelled, and we get 1, that is d will be equals to 1. That is nothing but the common difference, that is d equals to 1.